Hello YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Today we're in the garage. I'm going to be doing a quick install. I will be installing the Milwaukee twin hand bone mirrors in chrome and black that I purchased from Revzilla. I saw them online on Revzilla and I'm like, man, those things look really cool and whatever. So I'm going to put them on the bike. I want to see what they look like. Give me your opinion. Let me know what they look like. Because after I came out and really started looking at these mirrors, I'm like, man, they're really small. There's not a lot of room in here. They claim they fit this bike, but there's really only one way to find out, and that would be to install them on the bike. So I actually paid with tax and free shipping. They were $95.70. If you like them, you think they're cool, and you want a pair of your own, I got mine from Revzilla. I'll either leave the little shopping link if they let me, or I'll just put a description in the, I'll put a link in the description, and then you can click on that and you can find them on Revzilla. They come in multiple colors. I think they have black with black, black bones, chrome mirror, chrome bones, black mirror, and I think it's supposed to come with all the hardware you need to mount them on your bike. So let me go over here. I'll grab the box. I haven't opened it yet. I'll actually put a picture up somewhere in here that's from Revzilla, what they look like. But let me roll over here and get my knife. We'll open these things up and see what they actually look like. It's fairly heavy. All the reviews I read said they're like cast aluminum or something. So supposedly they're not terrible quality, but we'll find out. So let's see here. It looks like it's I'm filming this with my new Insta360 X5 camera. I really enjoyed that vlog I did. So let's see. It's hard to see them in the packaging, but they give you a bunch of different mounting options and hardware. Hopefully we have the one that I need for the Harley. But let me get them out of here and we could see them better and see what it's going to look like. They are definitely heavy and feel like they have quality. And when they shipped them, look, they even put foam on the outside of the mirror portion. So that's a good sign. Just curious to see what they're going to look like. But they're not as big as I thought. Let me roll this up here. So you can get them where this is black and this is chrome, or the whole thing is black. I mean, I think they look pretty cool. The other thing is, I think they come out a little higher and a little farther for like somebody like me. I'm a little chubby, and especially when you put a jacket on, I don't get to see out of all my mirrors. So maybe that will do the trick. All right, so to take off the old mirrors, I think all we need is a 13mm wrench. So get in here. Of course, you got the turn signals in the way, and so I'm going to take this one off. I'll go over, take the other one off. We'll put the new ones on. This is, as long as you got the wrench, They say this is not a hard installation at all. And as you can see, it's one nut on each side. Harley actually used a lock nut, and they had a star washer on it. So I'll put these here. Take the other one off. Boy, that one's tight. Looks like it's got a little bit of corrosion on it. I really don't ride my bike in the rain, but I do wash my bike occasionally, so it does get wet. I mean, of course, I get stuck in the rain, but I definitely look at the weather, and I'm a fair weather rider. I don't like riding in the rain. So if it looks like it's gonna rain, I'll either stick close, plan my routes. I should be a little more, let's take a chance kind of person, but you know what they say. I dropped a nut. I found the nut, and I found the washer. So what I'll do next is let me open the bag of hardware. Let's see which one's which. There's definitely not that. Nope. Must be this one. Has a riser and everything to get it up a little higher. They gave that. So I don't know if you could see that, but it's actually a riser to get the mirror up a little bit. And this is looking like it's, let me see here, we got to put this together. Okay, this is a 10 millimeter to thread this part in. Get that in there. Tighten it up really good. It's got some Loctite on it, but the last thing I want is my mirrors to be wobbling around. So make sure it's all tight. All right, so this one will be the throttle side. I don't know if I like the way that's sitting. Let me just look and see if there's instructions. Yeah. Probably one of those things. If you want instructions, look online. Let me see something here. Does that look like it wants to sit there? I don't know. Uh-oh. Luckily, I found that. Oh, boy. You would think it's the way it... Don't know if I'm liking that. Maybe this does go like this but it doesn't stick through. So I think it's got to be like that. Does all of this spacer stuff not go on there? We're going to find out. Let's see here. Definitely fits. Let's tighten it up and see. Let me get it about where I want it. That looks pretty good there. So let me tighten it up so it can't move now. All right. Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. I do not believe that I need any of the spacers that are here. They must be for a different application. So basically I put a washer on top, the lock washer, and the nut on the bottom. So let's thread this one together. Do, 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 do. All right. So you're seeing in true time me putting this together. So any issues or problems I'm having, you are seeing. It's just a matter of figuring it out for your bike. It's a universal mirror set, and they give you all kinds of adapters. So chances are, if you buy them, they're probably going to fit your bike. I do think there was a couple Harleys listed that it didn't fit. But it was only a few. So let's do this. We'll get up here. They're definitely pretty stiff to move. I don't know if they pivot up or not. Oh, they do. But that's all the way up. So let's see here. That's looking about just to the side of me. I might have to make some adjustments after I get out on the road, but got it nice and tight and can move around. So they are installed. I want to take a look, see what they look like. You know, I was back and forth after I bought them. I'm like, you know, what are they going to look like? They're going to look cool. I don't know about the chrome. But I mean, my bike has 2 or 3 little spots with chrome. So I don't mind it that much. I actually think they look pretty cool. So I'll have to get somebody to sit on it and level it up. But from this side, I mean, I think it looks good. Let me get the camera and get right in there, and we'll take a look at it. Boom, boom. Boom. I love this bike. I'm not used to having these 360 cameras. It's probably recording like everything I need, but I'm moving it around. All right. So once again, I bought these mirrors from Revzilla. Let me look at my phone. I want to make sure I give you the right name. These were the Milwaukee Twins hand bone mirrors. These are chrome with black mirrors. Like I said, you could get black on black. You can get black with chrome. I just thought this little bit of chrome on the bike would look pretty good. So I think it's pretty cool. Let me know what you think. Hopefully I'll be out this week to do a nice vlog or something. I'll let you know what I think about them. The mirrors definitely come out a little further, so it's probably going to help my vision behind me, be able to see a little better. Yeah, excited for a great season. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Leave a comment, any questions, whatever. All right, looking forward to the next one. So this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe.